The mentorship program might be starting to draw to a close, and you've decided that you want to reach out to all of your mentors to thank them and celebrate their participation in the program. To do this, you're hoping to send a more personalized message and call out the individual accomplishments of each mentor. So let me show you in this video how you can do this using mail merge and sending from Outlook. You can export data, of course, from your partner dashboard, and let me show you how to do that. You can navigate down to the Exports tab down over here. And if we want data on mentors and their experience, their accomplishments in the program, you could go to Participants Data and Export Data for Mentors. Now, in this case, if you want to send a thank you particularly to matched mentors, you can filter that data before you export it by downloading it from the Participants tab instead. If you click here and do Filter Participants, you can select Participant Type Mentor, and then let's make sure that the program status is matched so that we only get those mentors that are currently matched in the program. Let's apply those filters. And that will give us a list of only those of our participants who are mentors and currently matched. Once you have that downloaded, I have some demo data for us that we're going to work with. Your export is going to have a lot more columns, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we've just selected the most relevant ones to work with here. Next, you're going to want an email draft that you want to send to your mentors, and I have one of those prepared over here as well. You want to write this up in Microsoft Word for the purposes of sending a mail merge with Outlook. So what we have here is a thank you email, and we want to personalize this a little bit, right? We wanted to make sure that each mentor feels seen for who they are and for what they have accomplished in the program. So this is all data that we can get from the participant dashboard and that we have in that Excel file that we just exported. Now what we can do is we can head on over to Mailings up here in the top menu and select recipients using an existing list, the one that we just downloaded. From here, let's see what we downloaded it to. We have it right here. We pick that data that we just downloaded. And it will pop up here. Yes, the first row is columns and headers, right? See that over here in row 1. Let's just click OK. And now that that's connected to our Word documents, we can start selecting the text that we want to merge on and click Insert Merge Field. I'm going to click that little down button, and it will give me automatically all the fields that are in this sheet that we just connected. So from over here, I'm going to want the first name to be a hide name, right? And now that we have connected that, let's make sure that it's not yellow anymore. And then what else do I want to connect? You supported how many mentees? Let's go back to Mailings. And we had it in Insert Merge Field. Number of mentees. Let's select that right there. And how many conversations did they log? We got that in our download too. And how many flags did that mentor report? Let's select that and get number of flags. And now I'm going to make sure that none of this is highlighted. Now, once that's done, we have populated this draft with all of that personalized information, and we can actually preview it by clicking this button up here. So we can see that it says, hi, Cameron, you supported 1 incoming student's logging 4 conversations. And if you compare that to our sheet, that's correct. Let's check a couple more just to make sure that it's looking good. Hi, Lauren, you supported 2 incoming students logging 9 conversations and reporting 3 flags. Lauren did indeed support 2 students logging 9 conversations and reporting 3 flags. So here are all of our drafts. Now we're ready to send them. So we'll click Finish and Merge over here. Send email messages. From here, it's going to use Outlook to send. So in this column, we'll make sure that we send it to their email because we have that also in our export. So send it to the email. We can pick a subject line. And then you can choose if you want to send all of the records, meaning all of those 640 minus the header row, so 641 minus 1, 640 emails, or if you just wanted to send it to some subset. And then once you click OK, that's going to send from your Outlook.